Hey, are you looking to build a website, membership site, your own products, anything that you need in online marketing? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top marketer and top traffic provider in the solo ad space. And in this video, I'm going to let you know about Kajabi, which is a software that allows you to design a membership site or create your own products or sales funnels or anything of that nature, right? I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. The pricing starts off, monthly at $119, and it could go all the way up to, $319 per month, if you have these features. So here's what you get with this. So this allows you to build out e-commerce products and have a contact, manager and things like that. And if you want these things, then you got to pay the higher prices. And, this is basically if you have a product or anything that you need to design. So this is like an e-commerce kind of platform or a membership platform or a sales funnel kind of thing, right? So if you're selling your own product, things like that, this is what this, platform does. So basically, you could pay all the way up to, over $300 per month just for this system and software alone. But if you're looking for an alternative that is better than Kajabi and you can earn commissions from, you'll earn 80% commissions off of your funnel builder tool, then I highly suggest using the same funnel builder tools that I use to build out my entire membership site for a product that I'm building. It's called Solo Ads Authority. And this is a course that I'm designing right now that's in the works. That basically I designed it off of a $25 per month funnel builder, right? And this is very robust, and I could collect payments off of this platform. So this is actually a product that I'm creating, which is going to have a membership site that's attached to it, and it's going to actually collect payments, right? And I also designed my store off of this tool as well, and it is my my traffic store. It's profitbuilderstraffic.com, and I could collect payments from here. So as I told you, that this is very easy to use. It's drag and drop. I could go in any of these blocks and edit any of the stuff that I want to edit. And this is a membership platform, right? Or not a membership platform, but an e-commerce platform, right? So my store is an actual store that I could edit, and I could go in there and I could do whatever I want to it, right? And I could come in here. I could see all the stats from each package that people buy. I could see all those things and see what my highest performers are. I could add payment methods. I could do everything that an e-commerce store could do, and I just built this store over the past year, right? And this is something that I use to be able to do anything that I need in business. So this portion right here is the e-commerce store. I also use this funnel builder tool to design websites, membership sites, and also do sales funnels as well. So if you're looking for a funnel builder alternative to the ones that you've seen and the ones that you hear of, such as ClickFunnels and things like that, this can do that as well, right? So you can not only design your own products in here, you can also use this to be able to design whatever you need. So if you're a course creator, if you have a storefront business, if you need a website created, you can use these tools and you would earn a $20 per month commission from anybody who uses these tools. So you can build out whatever you need. You could have websites, you could have storefront businesses, you could be a network marketer, affiliate marketer, you can have your own a real estate business. I have people in real estate. I have motivational speakers. So it does not matter what you want to do. You can design it all within this funnel builder, design a whole, membership site, and only be paying $25 per month. And actually, whenever you get your first 2 signups, you'll be in profit, right? So it'll be paying you to use these tools. So there's no need to actually pay the prices of Kajabi or ClickFunnels. If you have both of them, right, you'd be paying like $600 per month for both of these tools. If you were using ClickFunnels to design your funnels, and then using Kajabi, you're looking at like $600 plus per month. You don't need to be paying this. You don't need to buy Kajabi. You don't need it at all. And and if you were wondering what Kajabi does, that's what this does. You could pay annually for it, and here's the prices that you would pay annually. So pretty much you would pay annually the whole price, and these are what you would be paying. So this could run you a lot of money if you're not using the funnel builder tool that I built my entire membership site off of. This is going to be a course that I give out to people. You can do the same thing. You can design whatever you want to in this builder. And the cool thing is you can manage people's funnels as well. I can manage all my products that I have back here. So as you can see, I have some of my team members because I am building a business and I do help people with traffic. So if I manage their funnels, it's back here as well and everything like that. You could manage people's funnels. And I go into my product right here. I'm going to just show you, just so you know. I go into my product and I can actually see what the product is, and I can edit it right here. So as you can see, I showed you the site. It's in my builder. You can design whatever you want to design, and then your domain name would be up here. So you can have unlimited funnel builders added to your funnel building site once you have the funnel builder, right? So you can just add a funnel builder to it, and it would still be $25 per month, right? And you would just add unlimited funnel builders if you had different products that you were creating or courses or something that needed a unique domain name. Otherwise, you can just build off of this one domain name and have it as a subdomain, which it would be Solo Ads Authority / page 1 / page 2, whatever you wanted to name that as a slug, you could put that slug, right? And you could have people go to it. If you were doing a webinar, it could be / webinar, right? Or something that you would remember. And you could also take your, affiliate links that you have, and you could make them come off of the main domain name. So that way it's not an ugly affiliate link. You do a redirect and it comes off your main domain name, which is really cool. And you can use it to build out any business that you have online. I can edit all this stuff in my membership site if I wanted to. And it's really cool the things that you can do with the $25 per month funnel builder. You can also track every lead that comes within your builder on a lead level. So it goes into your Aweber or GetResponse. You would know where every lead is coming from, like on Facebook, on YouTube, if you're getting solo ad traffic to your offers. No matter what kind of traffic you're getting, you would know where it comes from on a lead level, because you can set up a source code and you would know where the lead's coming from just by using this builder, right? You would have to set that up, but pretty much when people opt into your capture page, they would opt in through a coded link that would pretty much tag them and where they came from. So we teach you how to do all that when you sign up for the funnel builder tool, but it's definitely something that I would do. And also, I help you with paid traffic. If you need some kind of paid traffic, I help you to set up your business, help you to set all that stuff up, and you can use this funnel builder tool as opposed to paying $300 per month for Kajabi, because you don't need it. You can use this builder and it does the job. It does a perfect job. You can do whatever you literally need to do, and you also get support. You also get training on how to use it. And we also have coaching as well on marketing. So that's something that you can get into as well. You get 2 weeks free. Whenever you sign up for the funnel builder tool, there's a box near the payment information. You just check that box and you get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching with the funnel builder tool. So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you ever get stuck, you can come on coaching calls every single day and get daily live hands-on coaching every single day, Monday through Friday. And so if you need help, you're never left alone. You can always get help. And by being part of my network and signing up with me, you also have access to people that can design stuff for you and help you to build out whatever you need in your marketing, so you don't even have to be a professional designer, professional web developer to be able to design professional stuff. I did not design any of the stuff. I didn't design this, and I did not design my traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com. I did not design any of those. I have a team that does that for me, and by signing up with me, you have the opportunity to access my team. So whenever you sign up, you just click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to a capture page. Just opt in, and then you could sign up for the funnel builder tool. Make sure you check the box if you want the 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching, so you can get support and you can get daily coaching with your marketing, so you can know exactly how to market whatever opportunity you have, and you can get daily support with that, which is unheard of in this industry, unless you're paying thousands of dollars to get daily coaching. So you could pay anywhere from $30,000 to get the daily hands-on coaching that you get within this builder. So I would definitely consider doing this as an alternative to Kajabi or ClickFunnels, and definitely coming on board to get that help and support. So click on the link below this video to actually go to the capture page to opt in to get onto this. You'll get onto my list, and then you'll also be able to actually get the funnel builder tool. And there's also a link in the description if you want to come and get some traffic. You can get traffic from me as well. There's a link in the description for that also. And also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I upload, and get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be links for those in the description as well. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, leave them below. I will answer your questions or concerns or comments that you have. But this is definitely the way to go for funnel builders. If you want to be able to earn from your funnel builder and reduce your costs and expenses as well, you'll be able to earn from this and make money. So imagine making money to build your business. Is very amazing. It's a less expense that you have. You'll earn 80% commissions on everything, including the coaching. And it's really amazing. So yeah, make sure you click on the link below this video and check out the links below. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye for now, and see you soon.